Hi friends, hello and welcome to our next video. In this video, we will learn number system. So let us start numbers. Natural numbers are denoted by capital N, denoted by capital N. Whole numbers are denoted by capital W. Integers are denoted by capital I or capital Z. Rational numbers are denoted by capital Q. Irrational numbers are denoted by capital Q bar, and real numbers are denoted by capital R. Real numbers are denoted by capital R. Okay. First is natural number. What is natural numbers? Okay. So natural numbers are 1, 2, starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on up to infinity. Infinity means it is endless. Next is whole numbers. Whole numbers means these are also natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but the difference between natural number and whole number is here 0 is included, whereas in natural number there is no 0. Okay. So if the number series is starting from 1 and it is going on up to infinity, then it will be called natural numbers, whereas then whole numbers are starting from 0 and it is going up to infinity, then this number series will be called whole numbers. Okay. Next is integers. So what are integers? Integers means here you look 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Here also -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on, and also 0 is included. So here you can say in integers 1, 2, 3, positive 1, 2, 3, 4, negative 1, 2, 3, 4 including 0 are included. So this number series will be called integers. Okay. So here you can say these are natural numbers in, these are whole numbers including 0, and these are negative numbers. Okay. So here you can say natural numbers, whole numbers and negative integers are included in integers. Okay. Another thing is that integer is denoted by capital I. It is denoted by capital I or capital Z. Okay. If we write -z, if we write -z, then it will denote negative integers. That means starting from -1, -2 and so on. If we write positive z, that means it is positive integers. If we write positive integers, positive z, so it is positive integers. That means starting from 1 and so on. Okay. Remember, in negative integer and also in positive integers 0 is not included. Okay. Now rational numbers. What are rational numbers? Numbers which can be expressed as a by b, where a and b both are integers and b not equal to 0 will be called, and rational numbers will be called rational numbers. Okay. So a, b are integers. As for example 3 by 8, it is an integer, it is another integer. Okay. And 8 is not equal to 0, so hence it is a rational number. 8 by 15 is also a rational number. 8 is an integer, 15 is an integer and 15 not equal to 0, hence it is a rational number. Similarly, minus 7 by 11 is also rational numbers. Okay, and integers can be negative as well as positive. Okay, so here one question arises: is 0 a rational number? Yes friends, it is a rational number. How? You can express 0 in this way, you can express 0 in this way, you can express 0 in this way. Many ways you can express 0. So there are many ways you can express 0. Here you look, it is an integer, it is an integer, and this integer is not equal to 0, isn't it? So 0 is, and this is equal to, and this is equal to 0. So 0 is a rational number. Understood? Now let us take a decimal, 0.3. Is it a rational number? Yes, it is also a rational number. Why? Because this is equal to 3 by 10, and look, this is an integer, this is an integer, and 10 is not equal to 0. So the condition satisfied. Hence 0.3 is also a rational number. So any decimal number is a rational number. Okay. Now irrational numbers. What are irrational numbers? The numbers which cannot be expressed as a by b, where a, b are integers and b not equal to 0, are called irrational numbers. Okay. It is denoted by q bar. So example, root 2. Can you write root 2 as a by b? No, it cannot be expressed as a by b, because root 2 equal to 1.4142135623 and so on. It is going and going, but so it cannot be expressed as a by b. Also remember, in case of irrational numbers, the numbers are non-terminating, that is these numbers cannot be terminated. Okay, and these are also non-recurring. There is no repetitions of any number. Okay, so this type of numbers are called irrational numbers. Understood? Now real numbers. What are real numbers? Rational numbers and irrational numbers taken together are called real numbers. Okay, it is denoted by capital R. Okay, so R equal to Q union Q bar. Q means rational numbers, Q bar means irrational numbers. So real numbers are either rational numbers or irrational numbers. Understood? Examples of real numbers are, it can be 3 by 5, it can be root 2, it can be 0.1, and so on. So these are the examples of real numbers. Okay. Now prime numbers. What are prime numbers? A natural number which is greater than 1 and is divisible by 1 and itself only is called a prime number. Example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, etc. Here you look, these numbers are prime. Why? Because you see, 2 is divided by 2 and 1. So here you look, 2 has 2 divisors, 1 and itself. Similarly 3 also has 2 divisors, 1 and 3. Okay, so there are no other numbers which can divide 2 and 3, isn't it? Similarly 5, 7, 11, 13, these numbers also have only 2 divisors, 1 and itself. So these numbers are prime numbers. So we can say that a number will be called prime if it has 2 divisors, 1 and itself. Understood? Here you have to remember that 2 is the only even prime number. Okay. Now, composite numbers. Numbers which are not primes are called composite numbers. Example: 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, etc. and so on. Okay. So, here you look, 4 has how many divisors? 1, 2 and 4. So, here you look, 4 has 3 divisors, 1 itself and 2. So, it is not obeying the property of a prime number. So, 4 is a composite number. Similarly, 6 equal to, divisors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, 6. It has more than 2 divisors, isn't it? 1 itself as well as 2 and 3. So, it is also composite. So, similarly these numbers are composite numbers. Understood? Now, what are co-primes? Let us take two numbers, any two numbers. Suppose it is 2, 3. These two numbers will be called co-primes if it has only one common divisor. Here you see, divisors of 2 are 1, 2 and divisors of 3 are 1, 3. Here you look, 1 is common. So, if two numbers has only one common divisor, then this pair of numbers will be called co-primes. Understood? Let us take another example. 7, you say 7, then 18. Divisors of 7 are 1 and 7, whereas divisors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. 18 has many more divisors, but only one common divisor, 1. So, 7 and 18 are co-primes. Understood? So friends, is this video helpful to you? If yes, then let me know in the comment box and never forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you soon with some new chapter and new topic. Till then, goodbye.